van. We've got our screen installed. This is our new Velcro in place cover that we can make for any of our rear zipper screens. So basically, all the zippers work the same. You still have a zipper down the middle. This is a no-seam screen. And this cover just Velcros in place in the center of the screen. So you can roll this cover up, you can roll it to the side, you can take it completely off. And this is Aqualon Edge material, okay? There's your cover right there. Like I say, if you want to cover half of the screen, you can fold it in half and just have the bottom stick on and fold the top to the inside. All right, so that's our Velcro cover. The screen itself has 5 zippers in it. Now this can be rolled up or to the side. We like to roll them up to the inside. So when you get to the top, you have it rolled up, and then you can take your strap, which is right here, and there's 2 of them here, one right here. Pull that strap out, and then you peel the back of the Velcro off on the frame, and you can tuck it up inside and stick this to here. Right? So you have your screen rolled up, and then it just loops around and sticks in the back, and that will hold your screen up. You have 2 straps for each screen to do that, or you can zip them this way and separate it in the middle, and you can roll it to the side. So stick that one back in place there, put that zipper down, and you simply roll this to the side. Just like I was saying, then you can separate it in the back here. Take your strap, pretty clean and simple, sticks there, fold it around, okay, you're gonna stick it here. And they're long, in case you wanna leave it hanging down a little bit. But that way you can Velcro your screen right off to the side, or to the top, either one. Stick your strap back in place. There's good 2 inches of adjustment here. This is a separating zipper. Easily goes back in. These are very expensive and hard to come by these days. All right, so now you have that all back in place. So right here you have your 2 latches. Basically, when you get your height adjusted, if you wanted to lower, you could lower this one just a little bit. You cut a slice in each spot. Right here's your 2 strikers. Right there they are. Get that dusted, notch those. And this will allow, once you get it notched, the doors to be closed, which we'll do right now. There's your screen. Okay, I didn't even cut that up there. But once you get your height adjusted, you got to make sure you cut a couple slits or notches around the strikers so the doors will close. Other than that, it's ready to go to work. Very quick, very easy. You can see here, I can uninstall the whole screen. In less than a minute. There it is.